Good evening, one and all. I am Sarda Lakshman from Teachers Couple Talks channel. I am teaching about digestive system from these few days. Today we are going to take the topic of stomach, and I think you have written exams well who are in 10th class, and I thank and I am coordinating with you from these few days and telling all the aspects of 10 subjects, and share my channel, like my channel, and also subscribe my channel. And let's get into the topic stomach. What is the stomach? Stomach is a muscular bag lying in the abdominal cavity lying in the left side of abdominal cavity below the diaphragm. Okay, next it is opening into the esophagus through cardiac stomach, and it is opening into the duodenum through pylorific stomach. The pylorific stomach is guarded with the pylorific sphincter opening and closing to pass the food. And next is there are number of muscular glands lying in the stomach, which are arranged longitudinally, circularly, and diagonally. Next, what is next means there are three main functions of stomach. The food is partly digested in the stomach and stored in the stomach for a few hours. Next, the food is mixed with the other components in the stomach, and by the construction and relaxation of muscles in the stomach, the food is churned thoroughly. Then the third function of stomach is the food in the stomach is a physical and chemical change, physically and chemically changed in the stomach. Next, the functioning of stomach you have already known. Next, the stomach is lined with the mucous membrane. The stomach is lined with mucous membrane, and this mucous membrane is lined with gastric glands which produce gastric juice, and enzymes, and also two enzymes called pepsin and lipase. The gastric glands open into the inner cavity of stomach through pores, and these gastric glands produce gastric juice, and this gastric juice has hydrochloric acid which kills bacteria in the stomach. After killing bacteria, and it also helps in breaking down of proteins in the stomach, and which can be easily digested by the pepsin and lipase of proteins in the stomach. Next, what is hydrochloric? The mucous membrane of stomach helps the protects the acidity of the hydrochloric acid in the stomach. The mucous layer protects the stomach because of the hydrochloric acid activity of stomach. Apart from hydrochloric acid, there are two enzymes present in the stomach within the gastric gland, along with gastric glands. They are pepsin and lipase. The pepsin is converted into pepsinogen, and the pepsinogen converts the enzymes into breaks down the proteins into peptones and peptoses, and these proteins peptoses and the lipase breaks down the fatty acids into fats into fatty acids and glycerol. And in children, there is, along with these enzymes, there is rumin enzyme which helps in curdling of milk in children. As the human breast, this remnant enzyme gradually disappears. Next, in the stomach, after partly the stomach retains the food for 3 to 4 hours, and afterwards the pepsinogen and lipase digested food stomach into chyme, and the opening of pyloric sphincter starts, and the food in the small quantities enters into duodenum. This partly digested food is called chyme, and partly digested food is called chyme, and this is acidic and soft. Okay, thank you one and all. Again, I am thankful and grateful to you, all of you, those who are subscribing my channel, sharing my channel, supporting me and cooperating with me. Thank you one and all. I am your Sharda from Teachers Couple Talks channel.